WRC umuthe ni thoremire indo iria ikoretwo ikihuthika macindano-ini maya kuma mwaka wa 2021 na oho kwenda kumenya mitaratara iria ikoretwo ikihuthika kuhaririria macindano maya.
Prudent that I bring my other new team members here so that the WRC team can kind of guide us on what they've been doing firstly, and what equipment they have, and what help they need to move this to the next event. Start our work in earnest. We're going to sit down and get taken through a few other critical areas by Mr. Kameme. We're hoping he'll guide us through everything that we need to learn so that we can do our job well enough to make sure this safari happens and happens well. Not if it doesn't need changing. I mean, it's been, you know, I've entered it twice and it's been a fantastic event. We've been given a mandate by the CS to look at how we can cut some costs with the new government. So we'll look into that as well. But you know, if we don't feel anything needs changing, we won't.
Welcome the new team and welcome the new chairman. I have been chairman since 2017 and I think I've done my job. I need some help now, and I want to welcome Carl Tundo and congratulate him for the appointment. And as CEO, my work is to support the system and get the secretariat running, and that's exactly what I have started doing from this morning.
Na thirikari nene ni yaniriire mubango wa gwaka weru kiharo kia Embu mbere ya mambura ma gukungwira muthi wa Madaraka ma mwaka uyu maria makahariririo kiharo kaunti-ini ya Embu. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Raymond Omolo na uria ukwaragia hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu augite mubango uyu ukinyanirio thutha wa mambura ma Madaraka kweherio kiharo-ini kia Njukiri na gutwarwo kiharo-ini giki kia Embu. Oho Omolo augite uria uhetwo kandarathi ino ni erĩgĩrĩirwo kuruta wira utuku na muthenya niguo gutigirira ati wira uyu ni warikirira ihinda riria riagirire.
The main purpose of their visit today was to really confirm that the work here at the Moi Stadium has begun, and as you can see, there's already construction work going on, and it is expected that they'll be able to complete the work in the next 1.5 months.
From Embu, it's another opportunity to look at how we are able to spur the economy of this county, not just Embu town, but the larger county of Embu. And it's also an opportunity because we'll be having so many Kenyans from all parts of the country coming in to
na icio Liverpool megukorwo magietha kamweke ga kuingira quarter final ya ngucanio cia gikombe kia UEFA Champions League riria mekunyitwo ngeni njorua na ateteria gikombe giki Real Madrid kiharo-ini kia Anfield utuku wa umuthi. Irabu ici cia